I'm going to dump the whole lot of pasta in here. It's only 350 grams. You can use the rest for later. Don't need to use all of it. Salted water, really important. Salt your pasta. Give that a bit of a stir around. Make sure that all the pasta is submerged into the water. We can stir it around and sort of break it up a little bit. You don't need to put oil in here. A lot of people put oil in the water. Look, you can if you think it works, then go ahead. But it's not necessary. All right, now you've got to be really quick with gluten-free pasta. So over here, I've got another pan on the go. Touch of olive oil. All right, straight in with your prawns. Toss in the garlic. Touch of fresh coriander. Fresh chili. I've added the seeds as well. I just want a bit of a kick. A few spring onions. And we're going to save some for garnish. Don't let it overcook. Gluten-free pasta, if you overcook it, it is just terrible. Make sure this is all broken up. And look, you know, it doesn't matter if it's a little bit al dente, especially with the gluten-free. It'll cook through on that sauce. Straight in. Touch more of the fresh coriander. Save a little bit for garnish. Guys, that's it. That is it. Just a touch more fresh coriander on the top. And then finished off with just a drizzle of olive oil. I'm going to add finally just a squeeze of lemon juice. That's going to cut through the oil, give it that lovely tang and zing. There we go.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.